Hi, in this lesson, we'll learn about functions in C++. Functions help us organize code into reusable blocks, making our programs cleaner and easier to read. Think of a function as a mini program inside your program. A function is a named block of code that performs a specific task. It can take input, do some work, and give output. For example, we can create a function to add two numbers. This is how we declare a function. We write the data type and then function's name, and in the parentheses we write the variables. Then comes our curly braces, and inside the curly braces we write our code. Here we wrote a simple code that returns sum of two products. Return a plus b here sends the result back to the caller. In the int main we call the function add 5, 3. Now this int a will hold the value 5 and int b will hold the value 3 and store the result in sum. Let's run this program and see the output. And in the terminal we got the right output. Let's understand a function with no return value. If a function doesn't return anything, we use the keyword void, then our function's name, write some code, and in the main we directly call it. Let's save and run this program. Here greet just prints a message, hi. Let's understand functions with parameters. Parameters let us give input to the function. We can call the same function multiple times with different values. Let's code it. Let's say we have the function name as greet user, string name. Now this is our parameter inside the parenthesis. Cout hi, and let's type the name and a line break. Let's call the function and also write an input. Let's just name ABC greet user. Let's write XYZ or some bullshit. Okay. Now let's save and print it. Okay, we don't have any error. Okay. Hi ABC, hi XYZ, blah blah blah. Functions make our program modular. Instead of writing the same logic again and again, you just call a function. So in this lesson we learned how to declare and call functions, functions with and without return values, passing parameters to functions, and why functions are useful. Your challenge: create a function that takes two numbers and prints their product. Try calling it with different values. If you completed the challenge, drop a hand wave in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lecture.